What's up guys, it's Simon Fiaz, and today's video is on distillation, separation, purification of alcohol practical. Before I carry on with today's video, I'm not sure if I really want to post paper 3 videos on the A-level chemistry. I might. I feel like it would definitely make a lot of sense to do A-level paper 1, paper 2 and paper 3 in the same playlist. I might do it, but if I do it, I'll definitely get it done before the 1st of January, all of the papers. But I'm still thinking about it. Anyway, let's get on with this video. So why is distillation required for dehydration of alcohols to alkenes? Well, the mixture at the end will contain the reactant, the product and the water, and I could see this quite easily being a 1 marker, 6 marker note. And the dehydration of alcohols, alkene, a practical, and then it's just this 1 marker that students may find hard, struggle with. Is that the mixture at the end contains the reactant, the product and the water. What does distillation work on the principle of? Different chemicals have different boiling points to separate them. State the 3 stages of producing cyclohexene from cyclohexanol. Stage 1 distillation, stage 2 separation, stage 3 purification. So stage 1 distillation, we want to add concentrated H2SO4 and H3PO4 to a round bottom flask containing cyclohexanol. Once we've added concentrated H2SO4 and H3PO4 to a round bottom flask containing cyclohexanol, we want to mix the solution. How do we mix the solution? By swirling the flask and adding 2 to 3 carborundum boiling chips. Then the mixture is gently heated to the boiling point of cyclohexene using a water bath, or we can use the electric heater. Chemicals with boiling points up to 83 degrees Celsius, the boiling point of cyclohexene will evaporate, and a warm gas will rise out of the warm gas will rise into the condenser, and we use cold water to convert it into a liquid. The product is then collected in a cooled flask. Stage 2 separation. The product collected after distillation will still contain impurities. So we want to transfer the product mixture to a separating funnel, and we want to add water to dissolve water-soluble impurities. Then we want to allow the mixture to settle into layers, and we want to drain the aqueous lower layer, therefore leaving the impure cyclohexene. Stage 3 purification. We want to drain the cyclohexene into a round bottom flask. Add anhydrous calcium chloride and stop at the flask. Let the mixture dry for 20 minutes with swirling, and the cyclohexene will still have small amounts of impurities, therefore we distill the mixture one last time. Why is 2 to 3 carborundum boiling chips added? To make the mixture boil more calmly. Why is anhydrous calcium chloride added? CaCl2. Anhydrous CaCl2 is a drying agent, therefore it's added. What 2 pieces of equipment can be used to gently heat a mixture of boiling point of alcohol? Water bath or an electric heater. Stage 1 distillation. Add concentrated H2SO4 and H3PO4 to a round bottom flask containing cyclohexanol. Mix the solution by swirling the flask and add 2 to 3 carborundum boiling chips. Mixture is gently heated to boiling point of cyclohexene using a water bath. Then the chemicals with boiling points up to 83 degrees Celsius will evaporate, and the warm gas will rise into a condenser, and therefore we use cold water to turn into a liquid. The product is then collected in a cooled flask. Stage 2 separation. Product still collected after distillation still contains impurities, so we want to transfer the product mixture to a separating funnel and add water and to dissolve water-soluble impurities. We want to allow the mixture to settle into layers, and once we allow the mixture to settle into layers, we want to drain the aqueous lower layer, leaving the impure cyclohexene. Stage 3 purification. Drain cyclohexene into a round bottom flask. Drain cyclohexene into a round bottom flask and add anhydrous calcium chloride and stop at the flask. Let the mixture dry for 20 minutes with swirling, and the cyclohexene will still have small amounts of impurities, so distill the mixture one last time. And that is it for this practical.